Baki! Welcome to Kids Learning World. Come on in, give it a twirl. Yippee! With Baki and me, you'll see cave adventures every day. Whoa! Singing, dancing, learning is fun for you, for me, for everyone. Subscribe and stay a little while.
Hello friends, wow, look at all of you. It's me, Blippi, and I am so excited for today. We are going on a super fun adventure, and we have some very special friends joining us. Let's give a big, happy wave to Baki and Yemi. Baki is super brave and loves to explore. He shows it with big, strong stomps and cool shoulder rolls. Stomp, stomp, stomp! Yemi is full of joy and loves to express herself with beautiful twirls and friendly hand waves. Look at her go! They are here to take us on an amazing journey through the entire alphabet, from A all the way to Z. Are you ready to dance and learn with us? I know I am. We're going to learn about every single letter. That's 26 letters. For each one, we'll learn its name, what sound it makes, and a word that starts with it. But that's not all. We're also going to learn a super cool dance move for every letter. Dancing makes learning so much more fun, don't you think? Baki and Yemi will show us all the moves, and we can all do them together. We'll be moving our bodies, using our brains, and having the best time. It's going to be a full-on alphabet dance party, and you are all invited to join in the fun. So get your dancing shoes ready and prepare to wiggle. Our adventure will take us to some amazing and colorful places. Imagine a bright sunny garden filled with buzzing bees and beautiful flowers. We'll also visit a vibrant classroom with colorful books and awesome learning toys everywhere. We'll even head out to a playground with swings and slides. Each place will help us discover new letters and new words. Baki is already stomping his feet, ready to go and be brave on our quest. And Yemi is twirling with excitement, ready to share the joy of learning with every single one of you. Let's get our energy up and get ready to start with the very first letter. Before we jump in, let's practice our listening ears and our watching eyes. Baki and Yemi are fantastic teachers, and they'll show us exactly what to do. When you see Baki stomp, you stomp too. When you see Yemi twirl, you can give it a try. The most important thing is to have fun and try your best. Learning the alphabet is a big adventure, and every step is exciting. So, let's take a big, deep breath together, put huge smiles on our faces, and get ready to kick off this incredible alphabet adventure. The music is starting, so let's get this party started. Yeah! Alright, let's begin. Our first stop is a beautiful sunny apple orchard. Look at all the red and green apples hanging from the trees. Our first letter is A. Can you say A? It makes the ah sound. A is for apple. Apples are yummy, and it's always nice to share them with a friend. For our dance move, let's be an apple tree. Stretch your arms up high like branches and wiggle your fingers like leaves. Baki is stretching his branches way up high, so strong. Yemi is wiggling her leafy fingers with a big smile. Great job, everyone! Next up, we see something bouncing. It's the letter B. Say it with me, B. It makes a buh sound. B is for ball. Playing with a ball is so much fun, especially when we take turns and play together. For our dance move, let's bounce like a ball. Bend your knees and bounce up and down, up and down. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Look at Baki. He's doing big, powerful bounces. Yemi is bouncing so lightly and joyfully, like a beach ball floating on the waves. You're all fantastic bouncers. Wow, look over there, crawling on a leaf. It's the letter C. Let's all say C. It makes the C-O sound. C is for caterpillar. Caterpillars are amazing creatures, and we should always be careful and kind to tiny animals. For our dance move, let's do the caterpillar crawl. Wiggle your whole body on the floor like a little caterpillar, moving forward. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Baki is doing a super strong caterpillar crawl, exploring the ground. Yemi is wiggling with such grace, making a beautiful curvy path. This is so much fun. Let's keep going. I hear a beat. It's the letter D. Can you say D? It makes the duh sound. D is for drum. Playing the drum is a great way to make music, and it's wonderful to create a rhythm for our friends to dance to. Let's do the drum dance. Pat your hands on your knees like you're playing a big drum. Pat, pat, pat. Baki is playing a strong, steady beat. Boom, boom, boom. Yemi is playing a fast and happy rhythm that makes you want to dance even more. Let's keep our alphabet adventure going. We're now in a gorgeous green garden. Look at all the flowers. Our next letter is G. Say it loud, G. It makes a G sound. G is for garden. Gardens are beautiful places, and we show we care by helping to water the plants and keep them healthy. For our dance move, let's pretend to be growing flowers. Start as a small seed on the ground and slowly grow up, up, until you stretch your arms out like beautiful petals. Baki is growing into a big, strong sunflower, and Yemi is a graceful, twirling rose. What's that I feel on my face? Oh, it's the letter H. Everybody say H. It makes a happy huh sound, like you're breathing out. H is for heart. Our hearts are full of love, and it's so important to be happy and share that happiness with everyone around us. For our dance move, let's make a big heart shape with our hands and pulse it to the beat. Thump, 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 thump. Baki is making a big, strong heart, showing how brave and loving he is. Yemi is making a heart too, and she's blowing a kiss from it to all of you. This is so exciting. Let's see what's next. It's the letter I. Can you say I? It makes the I sound. I is for instrument. Playing an instrument is a wonderful way to express your feelings and make beautiful music for others to enjoy. For our dance move, let's pretend to play an instrument. You can play a guitar, a piano, or even a trumpet. Baki is rocking out on an air guitar with some cool shoulder rolls. Yemi is playing a magical flute, twirling as the music flows. What instrument are you playing? Wow, we are doing so great! The next letter is J. Let's all say J. It makes the Jew sound. J is for jump. Jumping for joy is a fantastic way to celebrate when you or your friends do something amazing. We should always cheer each other on. Let's do our dance move. It's time to jump. Jump up and down with big, happy energy. Baki is doing powerful high jumps, reaching for the sky. Yemi is doing joyful spinning jumps, laughing with every leap. You are all amazing jumpers. Welcome to our amazing classroom. Look at all the books and colors. The next letter in our adventure is M. Can you say M? It makes a yummy sound. M is for music. Music brings us all together, and it's so much fun to share a song or a dance with our friends. For our dance move, let's make some music. Let's sway side to side to a beautiful melody, waving our hands in the air. Baki is swaying with a strong, steady rhythm. Yemi is swaying and twirling, her hands making graceful patterns in the air. Beautiful! Right next to the bookshelf, I see the letter N. Say it with me, N! It makes a non sound. N is for neighbor. Being a good neighbor means being kind and helpful to the people who live near you. It's always nice to share a friendly smile. For our dance move, let's do the neighbor wave. Turn to the person next to you and give them a big, friendly wave. Hello, neighbor. Baki gives a big, strong wave, and Yemi does a cheerful, wiggly finger wave. Waving is so friendly. Look, outside the window. It's the letter O. Let's all say O. It makes an oo sound like you're surprised. O is for open. It's important to be open to new ideas and to welcome new friends to play with us. Let's do the open arm dance. Start with your arms crossed, then open them wide in a big, welcoming hug. Open and close. Baki opens his arms wide and strong, ready for a big bear hug. Yemi opens her arms with a graceful twirl, inviting everyone to join the fun. What's that on the art easel? It's the letter P. Can you say P? It makes a P sound. P is for paint. Painting is a creative way to show how you feel, and it's wonderful to see the beautiful pictures your friends create. For our dance move, let's be painters. Dip your pretend brush in paint and paint a giant rainbow in the air. Swish, swish, swish. Baki is painting a big, bold rainbow with strong strokes. Yemi is painting a delicate, sparkling rainbow with light, twirling motions. Your rainbows are magnificent. Let's go outside. We're at the playground. So many fun things to do here. And look, on the slide, it's the letter S. Can you say S? It makes a sis sound like a snake. S is for swing. When we're on the swings, it's important to take turns so everyone gets a chance to fly high. For our dance move, let's swing our arms. Stand with your feet apart and swing your arms forward and back just like you're on a swing set. Whoosh, whoosh! Baki is swinging with so much power, trying to touch the clouds. Yemi is swinging gracefully, her hair flying behind her. Right by the sandbox, I see the letter T. Say it with me, T. It makes a T sound. T is for team. Working together as a team means we can build amazing things like a giant sandcastle. Teamwork makes everything better. Let's do our team dance move. Let's march in place with high knees like a team marching together. Left, right, left, right. Baki is marching with strong, proud stomps, leading the team. Yemi is marching with a happy, bouncy step, cheering everyone on. Look up, up, up. It's the letter U. Let's all say U. It makes an sound. U is for up. It's always good to lift our friends up when they are feeling down by giving them a kind word or a hug. For our dance move, let's reach up. Crouch down low, then spring up and reach your hands as high as you can. Down and up. Baki is reaching up with all his might like a superhero flying into the sky. Yemi springs up into a beautiful reaching twirl like she's trying to touch a star. Now for a very special letter, the letter V. Can you say V? It makes a VVV sound like a motor. V is for voice. It's important to use your voice to say kind things and to share your wonderful ideas with the world. Let's do the voice dance. Put your hands around your mouth like a megaphone and pretend to sing a happy song. La la la. Baki is singing a loud, brave song for everyone to hear. Yemi is singing a sweet, joyful melody that makes everyone smile. Your voices are amazing. We are almost at the end of our alphabet adventure. You're all doing such an amazing job. Here comes the letter Y. Let's all say Y. It makes a Y sound. Y is for yes. Saying yes to helping a friend or trying something new is a wonderful and brave thing to do. For our dance move, let's do the yes nod. Nod your head up and down with a big, happy smile. Yes, yes, yes. Baki is giving a strong, confident nod. Yemi is nodding with so much joyful energy that it makes you want to say yes too. And now for the very last letter of the alphabet. Can you guess what it is? It's the letter Z. Everybody say Z. It makes a zzz sound, like a sleepy bee. Z is for zebra. Zebras are beautiful animals with unique stripes, and just like them, every one of us is special and unique in our own way. For our final dance move, let's do the zebra zigzag. Run in place while moving your arms in a fun zigzag pattern. Zigzag, zigzag. Baki is making big, bold zigzags, and Yemi is making fast, fun zigzags. Wow, we did it! We danced our way through the entire alphabet from A to Z. You learned all the letters, their sounds, and some amazing dance moves. Baki and Yemi are so proud of you, and I am too. Remember all the wonderful things we learned, like being kind, sharing with our friends, working as a team, and celebrating that each of us is special. Learning is the best adventure, especially when we can dance and have fun with amazing friends like Baki, Yemi, and all of you. Let's give a huge cheer for ourselves. Hooray! Thank you so much for joining Baki and Yemi's alphabet adventure. Keep practicing your letters, keep dancing, and most importantly, keep being the kind, brave, and joyful person you are. There are so many more things to learn and explore in our big, beautiful world. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember to always be curious and to share your smile with everyone you meet. Goodbye for now, friends, and see you on our next adventure. Bye-bye.